Hi, this is Cesar Sanchez from Matilti Web Design, and today I'm going to show you how to share permissions with someone. So let's say you have someone on your team that you've delegated, making website updates for you on your behalf, rather than having them hop into your logging in with your credentials. You can actually set them up in your Squarespace website so that they have their own set of permissions. All right, so let's do that. So let's start at your dashboard. Go to your dashboard, find your website. I'm going to use this one here, my test website. All right, from here, then you're going to click on the settings button here. From here, go to permissions and ownership. Permissions and ownership here in the middle. And then we're going to invite a contributor. All right, so here we go. This is where you would add your teammate. They'll receive an email invitation, enter their name, their email address, and then let's go down further down. Here, you can give them full ownership as an administrator. That means they can do everything except transfer your ownership. If you don't want to give them full administrator access, then there are all these other options. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to provide administrator access. Okay, so then you click on invite. Once the invitation has been sent to your teammate, they should receive an email that looks something like this. It's from Squarespace, and it says it'll be titled something along the lines of New Squarespace Contributor Invitation. Let's open that. Click on the Accept Invitation button. And then if they don't already have a Squarespace account, they'll need to go ahead and create one here at this point. I'd suggest with your email address. Let's go back to our dashboard. Under permissions and ownership, you'll click there. And right now you can see I haven't accepted this invitation, but when I do, this will change and it will say administrator and then the teammate's name down there. All right, I hope this was helpful. If it was, please like or leave a comment here on my YouTube channel. It'll help others find these resources. And again, appreciate it, and we'll be talking soon. Thank you. Bye.